I'm going to show you exactly how I build YouTube channels that generate revenue while I sleep. And I'm not talking about some theoretical passive income dream. I'm talking about actual systems that I've built across multiple channels that make money 24/7 without me having to create content, edit videos, or even be awake. Now, I've personally run over 12 different faceless YouTube channels. I've worked with a community of over 11,000 creators, and I've spent the last decade perfecting a system that allows me to build YouTube channels that truly run on autopilot. And by the end of this video, you're going to know the exact team structure, the exact automation systems, and the exact processes that allow me to do this. So if you've ever wanted to build a YouTube business that doesn't require you to be grinding every single day, this video is for you. Now, before we get into the system, I need to address the biggest misconception about passive income on YouTube. Most people think passive income means you do nothing and money appears. That's not how it works. What passive income actually means is that you do the work once to set up systems, and then those systems continue generating income without requiring your constant involvement. You're not trading hours for dollars. You're building assets that compound over time. And that's exactly what I've done with my YouTube channels. My involvement is maybe 5 to 10 hours per week just overseeing everything, and the channels generate consistent revenue month after month. Step number 1 is choosing niches that are actually suitable for automation. Not all niches work well for the passive model. The niches that work best are evergreen educational niches where the information doesn't change constantly. Personal finance fundamentals, productivity systems, health and wellness basics, software tutorials for popular tools, travel planning guides. These are niches where you can create content today that will still be relevant and getting views 2 or 3 years from now. That's what creates passive income. If you're in a news-based niche, your content becomes outdated immediately and you're stuck on a content treadmill forever. But here's the key. Within these evergreen niches, I niche down to a specific audience. Instead of just personal finance, I might do personal finance for military families. Instead of just productivity, I might do productivity for remote software developers. This specificity makes the content much more valuable to that audience, which means better conversion rates when you're selling products, and it makes it easier to systematize content creation because you're always talking to the same audience about the same problems. Step number 2 is building the content infrastructure before creating any videos. Most people start creating videos immediately and figure out systems later. That's backwards. I build the entire infrastructure first. First, I create what I call the Content Bible. This is a document that outlines everything about the channel. Who is the target audience? What are their biggest problems? What's the channel's unique perspective? What's the tone and style? This document becomes the foundation for everything. It ensures that no matter who is creating content, it all feels cohesive. Second, I create the monetization stack. Before a single video is uploaded, I know exactly how this channel is going to make money. I identify high-ticket affiliate products that pay $200 to $500 per sale. I plan my own digital product. I set up email capture systems. The channel's monetization is designed into the infrastructure from day one. Third, I create the content funnel architecture. I plan exactly what the money video is going to be. This is the comprehensive long-form piece that presents the main offer. Then I plan out 20 to 30 supporting videos that will all funnel traffic back to this money video. Every video has a specific purpose in the funnel. And fourth, I create all the SOPs, standard operating procedures for every single task. How to research video ideas, how to write scripts, how to create voiceovers, how to edit videos, how to design thumbnails. Everything is documented step by step with screenshots. This is what allows me to hand off the work to other people. Without clear SOPs, you can't automate anything because everything lives in your head. Step number 3 is assembling the team structure. Now, this is where most people get intimidated. They think they need to hire a bunch of expensive people. But you can build a lean, efficient team that handles everything for under $1,500 per month. And as the channel grows, it pays for itself. Here's the exact team structure. First, I have an idea researcher. This person finds proven video topics. They're going to successful channels, identifying videos that got significantly more views than average. I pay about $200 per month. Second, I have a scriptwriter. This person takes the video ideas and turns them into full scripts. They use tools like Tube to help with the initial draft, but then add unique insights and ensure the script provides real value, about $400 to $600 per month. Third, I have a voiceover artist, or I use AI voices. If I'm using AI, I use 11 Labs with a cloned voice. This costs about $22 per month. Fourth, I have a video editor. This person creates the final video. I might pay $50 to $100 per video. If we're doing stock footage videos, I might use vid.ai to generate the initial edit and then pay someone to review it, about $400 to $600 per month. And fifth, I have a thumbnail designer, about $150 to $200 per month. So the total monthly cost is about $2,500 to $2,200 per month for a fully automated content production system. Now, you don't build this team on day one, you build it gradually as your channel starts generating revenue. Step number 4 is implementing the automation tools and systems. For project management, I use Trello. I have a board with columns for every stage: ideas, scripts in progress, scripts complete, recording, editing, thumbnails, ready to upload, scheduled, published. Each video is a card that moves through these columns. This gives me complete visibility without being involved in every step. My team just moves cards forward as they complete their work. For file storage, I use Google Drive with a specific folder structure. Each video has its own folder containing everything. For scheduling uploads, I use YouTube's built-in scheduler. My assistant uploads and schedules them. I don't have to touch this at all. Step number 5 is the quality control system. This is critical because this is where most automated channels fall apart. They scale up production, but the quality tanks. My solution is a simple QC process. Before any video goes live, it goes through a quality checklist. Does the script provide genuine value? Does it solve a real problem? Is the voiceover clear? Is the editing clean? Is the thumbnail eye-catching? Would I be proud to put my name on this video? In the beginning, I do this quality control myself, but eventually I hire a channel manager whose job is to handle this QC process. I pay this person about $500 to $800 per month. And this is the final piece that allows the channel to run completely without me. Step number 6 is building the revenue systems that run on autopilot. Every video is designed to drive traffic to the money video through end screens and pinned comments. The money video has multiple call to actions. There's a link in the description to the affiliate product or my own product. There's a pinned comment with the link. There's a verbal CTA at the end. For email capture, I offer a free lead magnet. People enter their email to get it. This goes into my email automation system. Once someone enters their email, they get a welcome sequence that provides value and then pitches the main offer. This entire sequence is automated. It runs 24/7 without any input from me. For affiliate sales, once I've set up my affiliate links in descriptions and pinned comments, they just work. Every time someone watches a video, there's a chance they'll click through and buy. This happens whether I'm awake, asleep, or on vacation. For my own product sales, I use a platform like Kajabi. Someone clicks the link, they go through the sales page, they purchase, and they immediately get access. The entire transaction happens automatically. So the revenue systems are truly passive. They run 24/7 generating income whether I'm involved or not. Now let me be completely transparent about the timeline. This doesn't happen overnight. Month 1 to 3, you're building the infrastructure and probably doing most of the work yourself. You're creating the first 20 to 30 videos, figuring out what works. Month 4 to 6, you start hiring your first team members, maybe a thumbnail designer and a script writer. You're still heavily involved, but you're starting to delegate. Month 7 to 9, you continue building out your team. You add the editor, the voiceover person, the researcher. Your involvement is decreasing. Month 10 to 12, you hire your channel manager. This is when things start becoming truly passive. Your involvement is now just weekly check-ins, and beyond month 12, the channel is basically running itself. So it takes about a year to build a truly passive channel, but once it's built, it can run for years with minimal involvement. Now, if you're serious about building a YouTube channel that generates revenue while you sleep and you want help implementing this exact system with the proper team structure and automation, I've put together everything you need into Tube Accelerator. This isn't just another YouTube course, it's a complete system where you get access to me and my team and even my content team who can make videos for you. You'll get direct coaching from myself and experts who have built multiple passive channels using this exact system. We'll help you choose the right evergreen niche that's suitable for automation. We'll give you all of our SOPs and templates so you don't have to create everything from scratch. We'll show you exactly how to hire and manage a remote team that handles all the content creation. We'll help you set up your automation systems with the right tools and workflows. We'll show you how to build revenue systems that generate income 24/7. This program is not cheap by any means. However, it is quality. It's the best YouTube program in the world, in my opinion, but it's not a fit for everybody. We only want to work with people who are serious about building a real automated business and who understand that it takes time to set up these systems properly. If you're interested in building a sustainable and potentially very profitable channel that truly runs while you sleep, feel free to book a call at the link in the description for Tube Accelerator. My team will see if it's a good fit for where you are right now. And now, if you want to discover more about building faceless YouTube channels into real businesses, check out this video right here, which is basically a free course. You'll get a ton of value, and I will see you there.